Again, I'm Dr. Dave Harper from M.O.S.A.I.C Life Care, and it was wonderful to have you in our clinic today for your first experience with us. I hope you had a great time meeting our staff. They're amazing. Now, I know that most people don't remember everything, so this is to serve as a recap for what we did in the clinic. Because I know that what you learned today was a lot of information, and a lot of information that isn't within your knowledge base. Remember what I said? I said that it's very difficult for me as the doctor to know how you feel during our first visit. And it's very difficult for you as the patient to know what I know. So this video is to serve as a recap to help you remember what it is we talked about. And one of the most important things that we talked about was the power of your nervous system to control everything, and how chiropractic is there to help us improve that strength of that nervous system. We talked about having your power on. We talked about our understanding about the different things that could interfere with the expression of that power. Remember, in our office, we're about empowering humanity, and we want to empower you to live the life that you were designed to live. So now we're going to set up for the next appointment. And the next appointment will be that appointment where we take the diagnostic test that we did, the conversation that we had about your health complaints, your challenges, as we listened to you. We took the information from the examination process that we did with you, and we put that all together in a time to present to you how we can help you achieve the resolution that you desire, either from the pain that you have or from the performance that you choose to express. So during your examination today, what you learned was that your nervous system can have interference in its expression of life and function and performance. We call that interference of subluxation, where your spine begins to challenge the amount of information in that nervous system getting to the target. Now, we probably did some muscle testing with you. And in that muscle testing, we identified where there was weaknesses, and we may have shown you just a glimpse of what it would mean to be in power. If you had an upper extremity challenge, we certainly identified how moving the head can impact the power in the shoulders. If it was a neck problem, the same idea. But it is this subluxation, this issue of interference, that is robbing you of your life's expression of the power that we're so passionate that you would have. And so as this examination process progressed, it is my hope, and through this video, to remind you of that powerful concept of the difference between living in weakness versus living in strength and power. And usually in the event of the exam, the patient, you in this case, begins to realize that the power is what they want. The power is what you need to express that life's full aspects of whatever it is for you. Whether it's playing a sport, whether it's gardening, whether it's picking up your grandchild, or whether it was simply just being able to exist pain-free. So my role as a doctor is to play detective. We're going to take all the information that was gathered from your consultation, your history taking, the test that we did, and the examination that we did, to come up with a very clear and precise report of findings that you can understand about what your next steps will be. We're here to support you. We're here to provide you that loving environment to help achieve your goals. And this next day is crucial for your understanding of what you will need to do in your process of action over the next number of days. Now, I have a thought for you. There may be somebody in your life that's involved in your healthcare that you would want to bring along to this meeting with me, this report of findings explanation. Bring them along. Let's have a great time together. If not, that's okay. But if there is somebody, they're always welcome. Now, I really look forward to seeing you on your next visit, where we will begin your journey towards greater health. I'm Dr. David Harper from M.O.S.A.I.C Life Care, and I look forward to seeing you soon.